Hello friends, I am Yogesh and welcome to my channel Hello Sahitya. Friends, I am going to deal with the MCQs of Unit 4 from the paper number 6, that is the Introduction to the Romantic Age and the Victorian Age. So let us start. The first question is, how many poems were there in the first edition of Lyrical Ballad? The options are A 19, B 4, C 23, D 20. The right answer is C 23. Out of 23, 19 poems were of Wordsworth and 4 poems of Coleridge. Question number 2. Lyrical Ballad was published in, the options are A 1800, B 1798, C 1802, D 1795. The right answer is B 1798. Question number 3. Who is the protagonist of the novel Pride and Prejudice? The options are A Elizabeth Bennet, B Darcy, C Mr. Bennet, D Jane Bennet. The right answer is A Elizabeth Bennet. Pride and Prejudice is a novel written by Jane Austen. Question number 4. Pride and Prejudice was published in, the options are A 1840, B 1850, C 1860, D 1830. The right answer is D 1830. Question number 5. In how many parts Christabel can be divided? The options are A 4, B 2, C 5, D 3. The right answer is B 2. Christabel is a poem written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Question number 6. Who is the witch in Christabel? The options are Geraldine, B Cordelia, C Alicia, D Arabella. The right answer is A Geraldine. Question number 7. What is the major theme of the Rime of the Ancient Mariner? The options are A crime, B sin, C punishment, D all of the above. The right answer is D all of the above. Question number 8. Which bird is shot by the mariner in the Rime of the Ancient Mariner? The options are A skylark, B swallow, C crow, D albatross. The right answer is D albatross. Question number 9. Sense and Sensibility was written under the pseudonym. Options are A lady, B a woman, C a girl, D none of the above. The right answer is A lady. Question number 10. Who represents sense in Austen's novel Sense and Sensibility? The options are A Elinor, B Marian, C A and B, D none of the above. The right answer is A Elinor. Question number 11. Don Juan is blank by Lord Byron. Options are A ballad, B an epic, C a lyric, D an ode. The right answer is B an epic. Question number 12. How many cantos are there in Don Juan? The options are A 14, B 12, C 16, D 18. The right answer is C 16. Question number 13. Who wrote The Ring and the Book? The options are A Elizabeth Browning, B Lord Byron, C William Blake, D Robert Browning. The right answer is D Robert Browning. Question number 14. The Ring and the Book is a series of, the options are A epic journey, B soliloquies, C long speeches, D dramatic monologues. The right answer is D dramatic monologues. Question number 15. Heroes and Hero Worship is a collection of how many lectures? The options are A 5, B 8, C 3, D 6. The right answer is D 6. Question number 16. 16. The heroes as a poet is or are, the options are A 5, B 8, C 3, D 6. The right answer is D 6. Question number 17. The heroes as a poet is or are, the options are A 5, B 8, C 3, D 6. The right answer is D 6. Question number 16. The heroes as a poet is or are, the options are A 5, B 8, C 3, D 6. The right answer is D 6. Question number 18. The heroes as a poet is The options are A. Chaucer, B. Shakespeare, C. Dante, D. Both B and C. The right answer is D. Both B and C. The heroes as poet are Shakespeare and Dante. Question number 17. What is the subtitle of the novel Vanity Fair? The options are A. Pen and Pencil Sketches of English Society, B. It does not have a subtitle, C. Hypocrisy, D. A satire on vanity. The right answer is A. Pen and Pencil Sketches of English Society, and it also have another subtitle, that is a novel without hero. Question number 18. Who is or are the heroines of the novel Vanity Fair? The options are Becky Sharp, B. Amelia, C. Pamela, D. Both A and B. The right answer is D. Both A and B, that is Becky Sharp and Amelia. That is why it is called a novel without a hero. Question number 19. Who is the writer of Charter Resorts? The options are Thomas Arnold, B. Thomas Carlyle, C. Lord Byron, D. John Ruskin. The right answer is B. Thomas Carlyle. Question number 20. Charter Resorts deal with which philosophy? The options are A. Toys, B. Clothes, C. Education, D. Love. The right answer is B. Clothes. Question number 21. Which novel is considered as an autobiographical work of Charles Dickens? The options are A. Great Expectation, B. A Tale of Two Cities, C. David Copperfield, D. Hard Times. The right answer is C. David Copperfield. Question number 22. David Copperfield was first published in, the options are A. 1855, B. 1848, C. 1849, D. 1850. The right answer is D. 1850. Question number 23. Who is known as the father of historical novel in English literature? The options are A. Sir Walter Scott, B. William Makepeace Thackeray, C. Charles Dickens, D. Thomas Hardy. The right answer is A. Sir Walter Scott. Question number 24. Kenilworth was published in, the options are A. 1820, B. 1831, C. 1821, D. 1825. The right answer is C. 1821. Question number 25. Who is the writer of the novel Wuthering Heights? The options are Charlotte Bronte, B. Emily Bronte, C. Anne Bronte, D. Jane Austen. The right answer is B. Emily Bronte. Question number 26. Who is the protagonist of the novel Great Expectation? The options are A. Magwitch, B. Estella, C. Miss Havisham, D. Peep. The right answer is D. Peep. Philip Perry Peep. Question number 27. How many essays are there in Unto This Last? The options are A. 3, B. 5, C. 4, D. 2. The right answer is C. 4. Question number 28. Who translated Unto This Last into Gujarati under the title Sarvodaya? The options are K. M. Munshi, Kanhaialal Maniklal Munshi, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Umashankar Joshi, D. Pannalal Patel. The right answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi, who translated that essay Unto This Last into Gujarati under the title Sarvodaya, means Sabka Bhala. Question number 29. Who wrote Jane Eyre under the name of Currer Bell? The right options are A. Charlotte Bronte, B. Emily Bronte, C. Jane Austen, D. George Eliot. The right answer is A. Charlotte Bronte. Question number 13. Who is in love with Catherine in Wuthering Heights? The options are A. Heathcliff, B. Edgar Linton, C. Hindley, D. Paul. The right answer is A. Heathcliff. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel, share the videos, like the videos. Thank you.